stress concentration factor. When there will be a stress, there will be a notch, there will be a stress concentration factor. Now around the notch. Now Kt is a stress concentration factor is defined as the stress with the notch present divided by the nominal stress without the effect of notch, without notch present. Okay, and now another thing, the fatigue stress concentration factor. It is Kf. F stands for fatigue. So it is nothing but the ratio between endurance limit with notch present thereby endurance limit without notch present. Now this value of this one generally more than this. Let me go to the relation between the Kt and Kf. Relation between Kt and Kf. This relationship exists. Kf is equal to 1 plus Q into Kt minus 1, where Q is called notch sensitivity, varying from 0 to 1, 0 to unity. For ductile materials, Q less than 1, so that Kf less than Kt. And for brittle material, Q approaches to unity. That means so that Kf and Kt are equal. Okay. Now we have already in the other video we have done N is equal to N1 into N2 into N3. Now these are the factor of safety N1, factor of safety N2 and factor of safety N3, and this is equal to N. If N1, N2, N3 are equal, then it is N is equal to N1 to the power Q. Cases. Now N1 is equal to 1.1 to 1.3 if the loads and stresses are estimated accurately. When it is estimated accurately, N1. Otherwise, N1 is equal to 1.3 to 1.5, not accurately. 2. N2 is equal to 1.3 for rolled and forged steels. N2 is equal to 1.5 for heat treated and hardened steel. N3 is equal to 1.3 if the parts break and machine stops. N3 is equal to 1.5 to 2 if the part breaks only, not stops. Number 4, the value of endurance limit sigma E is equal to 0.45% ultimate strength sigma ULT, and sigma E should be further reduced by 20% to 10% for machine surface. Okay, sigma E is equal to 0.45 into 0.8 to 0.9, any number between this, into sigma ultimate for machined surface. This is important. A size factor may be taken into account. At 40 millimeter diameter, size factor is equal to 0.9. That is, the stress value is to be reduced by 10%. At 60 millimeter diameter of the shaft, size factor is equal to 0.82, and for 70 millimeter diameter of the shaft, size factor is equal to 0.70. Now this is Q and this is R. R I will tell you is the radius. This is for the hardened steel. This is for the hardened steel, and this is for the normalized and annealed steel. And this is the diagram for D by D ratio. I will tell you what is D by D. So these are the diagrams. Okay. There is a value. This one is the KT value, and this is the R by D ratio. Now this is the D diameter of the shaft, and it is reduced to small d with an arc R. So this is the figure for D by D ratio, and for D by D ratio 0.067 to up to 1, it is will be KT will be 1.57. Okay. Now this is the stress concentration factor for a shaft with two diameters joined by fillets and loaded in torsion are given in figure 2. This is the figure. Okay. Now for D is equal to 30 mm, D is equal to 40 mm, this small d, and this is a capital D. R is equal to 2 mm, K2 will be equal to 1.57, and if the shaft is normalized, corresponding R is equal to 2 millimeter, Q is equal to 0.9, and Kf will be equal to, from this formula, so 1.513. Okay. Now for QoS, values of Kf is as follows: profile and sled runner, annealed, bending and torsion. This is for bending moment, M value for bending moment, and for the torsion value of the Kf value. These are Kf values for bending hardened steel again, and this is annealed steel. So this is this one is the data. Okay. Thank you.